Nobody has ever, and I mean ever, outperformed Shawn Michaels in a big match situation. And folks, it don't get no bigger than this. This is what our business is all about. It's about earning the opportunity to compete in the main event at WrestleMania.
Oh, and look at Shawn Michaels. He's so full of himself.
He's got great confidence, and rightfully so.
He's got Mike Tyson.
You may be right there. Michaels looks to be in magnificent shape, and so does Stone Cold Steve Austin in his traditional black boots, black tie.
Yeah, and Stone Cold will also use his traditional hand gestures.
A hard right hand into the snapmare chinlock. Possible submission here. He gets out, and he unloads with everything he's got. What a great display of submission skills here. And he's out.
And that one hurt his hand. That rattled Stone Cold's teeth. Great reversal by Steve Austin. Oh my gosh! That hand had a lot of force behind it. Veteran reversal by Shawn Michaels.
They re-enter the ring now. Damn! That's all I can say about that. Big right hand by Austin. There's the kick.
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. And there he goes, crashing to the floor.
He lights up his chest with that chop. Man, you know, you look at all the people that Michaels has defeated in big match situations. It's an amazing roster of athletes who are here in their prime.
Yeah, and I think he's going to add another big name to that list tonight. Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Putting the knee to his opponent.
Oh, what a painful kick. Austin's got it. I think Shawn is hurt. I think he's hurt bad.
This man, Austin, no! Stunner! Stunner! A stunner! Austin has it!
Austin's in a fighting mood. Oh, look at the emotion.
Straight kick. There's another great kick.
The ref gets absolutely flattened. A ferocious clothesline. Just devastating.
Mike Tyson's in. Austin is the champion. Stone Cold